Hello everybody, it's me Andrew, one half the Andrew and Phil show. I have my 2020 MacBook Air. It's an early 2020 Intel model. I tried replacing the display flex cable on it. That little $13 cable didn't fix it, so I ended up having to order a new display, and I'm going to be installing that today. I have my trusty Chardon 122-piece precision screwdriver set here. There's an affiliate link below, so let's get to it. All right, so we're going to have to remove these P5 screws on the bottom case here. Nice thing about this is it's solid aluminum. You don't have to worry about breaking it. Big thing we do now is disconnect the battery. We don't want to shock ourselves. That's bad for business. Let that out of the way. Alrighty. Disconnect the antenna bar. So T3 Torx, or the antenna cable cover, which is this sucker right here. The antenna connector will pull straight up to disconnect the cable. And then T3 Torx to remove two 1.5 millimeter screws securing the display cable connector cover. Flying a spudger to pry the display cable straight off the antenna board. Okay. Okay. Use a T5 Torx driver to remove the 6 screws securing the antenna bar. So this is your Wi-Fi antenna. There we go. Okay. There's the old display. I think this got damaged right on that cable there. Oh yeah, there it is. It's punctured. It's right here, we can see our damage. It's this right here, it looks like was punctured. So feel pretty good that the display is what was bad. Alright, so while I'm in this, I'm just gonna kinda do some cleaning in here. Looks like the previous owner could have possibly had a dog or some sort of animal. So we're going to clean out what we can. Okay, so now I should be able to close this up. Make sure I'm not touching anything too bad. That is looking pretty promising. Okay. All right. we put the antenna bar back in. However in the world we do, oops. I'm gonna clean that up a little bit. Wherever my little brush is at, where'd that sucker go? So then this is this little guy here. Got one in. Okay, I think I got it. And the battery. That was satisfying. Okay, and then next is to put the case on. Well, there's not a big bend there, so that's good. So, now is the real nerve-wracking part. It's the moment of truth. All right, so the screen is on the hello sign here, so we're able to get this sucker set up. So that is awesome. All right, so I got this all set up. I got QuickTime Player up. We're gonna make sure that the Face ID works. So one thing that's pretty awesome is that, from my understanding, whenever you replace the screens on these, unless you're a certified Apple, repair shop, you lose True Tone. Well, we got True Tone on this. So right now I'm going to check and make sure that the FaceTime camera works. All right, well, the webcam definitely got a lot better on the M1 Max versus this, but as you can see here, it's detecting my voice. So see if we can hear me. Oh, you can. All right, we'll do that. We'll do a quick little recording. All right, so here I am. Can you hear me? I just fixed the screen. See the little green light up there? So that's good. We're gonna stop it, and then we're gonna play it. All right, so here I am. Can you hear me? It's amazing how good these little microphones are on this thing. So that's good. So awesome. So that we're good to go on that. We ain't gonna save that. This is gonna go to its new owner. So one thing is that from my understanding, this does not have, the True Tone would not be an option since I replaced it myself. But look, True Tone is here. So this thing is fully operational as if I never had to replace the screen ever. It's amazing. I'm so excited about it. You can turn it off, then True Tone goes away, and then you turn it on, True Tone's on. All right, so we got this new screen put on here. It is working amazing. We got all the features that you would have had if you bought this brand new. So we got True Tone, the automatic brightness is working, the Wi-Fi is working, the FaceTime camera is working, the speakers are working, and the microphone is working, and the keyboard is working. So, and it's detecting Touch ID. So, pretty proud of myself. I've never done this before. So if I can do it, so can you. So this really wasn't a step-by-step like how-to video. You can kind of see what I was doing. But if you go on to iFixit.com, their repair manual, I was able to follow it step-by-step. So as far as the tools that I used the Chardon Precision Screwdriver Set. There's an Amazon affiliate link in the description. Also, the cleaning kit that you may have seen me use a little bit in the video, there's also an Amazon affiliate link for that too as well. So if you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like and the bell, and watch the next video that's going to be recommended. I'm Andrew, and I'm out.